and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am here again with an affordable skincare range. Like not the whole skincare but these two products. So these two products are from the brand called the Body Avenue, and these are the two products that the brand has itself sent it to me, and I feel really lucky to receive these two products. So first, as I always say, that though these products are sent to me by the brand itself, but I am going to give you my honest opinion on each and every product, because this is like a really transparent thing between me and my viewers. So yes, there is no playing around, no fooling around, just the truth. So let's begin this video by talking about the brand first. So the brand is the Body Avenue, and this brand contains all the natural ingredients with no harmful and harsh chemicals. And the most important thing is this brand is made in India, which is actually cool, and it's vegan, it's cruelty free, which is really good. So now let's start talking about the product one by one, and the first that I have with me is this retinol serum. Is their retinol serum, which is enriched with glutathione and hyaluronic acid. And retinol, if you all don't know, it helps in decreasing your age spots, the suntan, sunburn, the pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, dark spots. It helps to reduce them. Glutathione helps in decreasing pigmentation, making your skin light and bright. And it also helps to reduce your wrinkles and the age spots. Hyaluronic acid, on the other hand, helps to moisturize your skin, it nourishes your skin, it helps to remove pigmentation, decreases fine lines, and it also helps your skin to heal. So now let me take you how this product is. First of all, I have been using this product for about 9 to 10 days roughly, and I thought like this is a dropper kind of packaging, which I really love, because it is like a really hygiene kind of packaging. Like you do not have to dip your fingers in or something of that sort. You just have to drop it like this on your face and then just massage it. But I don't know why this dropper doesn't work at all. I am so disappointed by the packaging itself. Like, see, this is how the dropper looks like. Every dropper looks the same, but when I press it, I can't even press it because the glass is still here. This rubber thing, it's not working. I'm not able to apply it like this way, so I just apply it like an applicator like this way, which is like really disappointing, and it makes me like angry every time I use this product. So yeah, not a very big fan of the packaging. But the one thing that I like about this packaging is it is a glass bottle, which is really good, and it is also dark in color. So any vitamin C serum or any serum that has glutathione or hyaluronic acid in it must be a glass bottle, and it is dark in color. And now let's talk about the serum. Like I apply it like this way. So you can see it is transparent, and it is very thick serum, and which is also very tacky. If you can see, it is a little tacky, but yes, very thick. And it is so slippery, like my hand is slipping like this way. So yeah, its consistency is what I really love, and it blends into the skin beautifully, like you can see. And it leaves your skin with a subtle glow, like a little radiance. Yeah, and there is no smell actually, like very mild smell, which is like the organic one. So this is the other thing that I really love about this product, because I don't like my skincare products to smell strong. So whenever a skincare product smell nothing or smell very mild, I love it, because it makes sure that the product is genuine and there is no added fragrance into it. So this is what I really love. So now this is a oil-free serum which gets completely absorbed into skin as you work it on. So it claims a younger, brighter and clearer skin. So it helps in reducing wrinkles, dark spots, pigmentation, fine lines, skin discoloration. Also, it boosts the collagen production, which improves the skin texture. And let's now discuss what I have felt about this product in these days, and also what I have noticed change in my skin. So first, it says it makes your skin look younger. Like, one doesn't even know how a product makes your skin look younger. It helps to make it look radiant and glowy and brightened. But younger, like I don't know, it makes your skin look plump. So maybe this is how you call a product that it makes you look younger. But if it says it makes your skin looks plump, then no, I didn't notice any difference in that thing. My skin is not like after using this serum, my skin doesn't feel plump and so and so. Then it makes your skin brighter. It is like somewhat in between. Sometimes it feels like my skin is looking brighter after applying this, and sometimes it's not. So I don't know, I really can't say about that thing. It makes your skin clearer, definitely yes, because all the ingredients, they help your skin to make free from pigmentation and hyperpigmentation or dark spots, whatever. So yes, it makes your skin looks clearer. That's what I noticed. Then when it comes to hydration and moisturization, definitely yes. You won't believe that like there were 2 days when I forgot to use a moisturizer over this serum because it is so hydrating that you don't even feel like your skin stretching out after face wash or something. So definitely it moisturizes really well. So if you all want me to rate this product, then I'm gonna rate it like 7 on 10. So this product is like somewhere in between. If you are looking for a affordable serum like retinol which has glutathione and hyaluronic acid in it, then you must buy this product. And also this product retails for rupees 1300, which is not affordable at all. But there is always a discount on this product, so don't forget to check the description box. On Amazon, on Flipkart, you can get this product for rupees 500, which is affordable now, and the quantity that you get is 30 ml. And now the next product that I have with me is this under eye gel. So this under eye gel comes in this packaging. You get this product which is white in color and it is really thick. And there is no fragrance at all again. Also, they are made from the natural ingredients with no added fragrance. So yeah, this proves that these two products are genuine. And now let's talk about the under eye gel. I am in love with this gel. Like, it is really good. It is a wonderful product. It acts as a primer, like it just smooths your fine lines. When I apply it under my eyes are so hydrated after applying this, and it just reduces your fine lines. This is the one thing I love about it, because earlier all those eye creams which I have used, they helped me to moisturize my under eyes, and they gradually just reduces my appearance of dark circles. But this cream, it really helps to just fade out your fine lines and also the crow lines, like the crow feet which you get here when you smile, these 3 lines. So it really helps in that. If you can see, this is white in color and it is a thick cream, as I have already told you. And once you start blending this product, it gets quickly absorbed into your skin. You can see it is so nourishing. You can still see it on my hand. And also when I apply this product under my eyes, it gives a very cooling effect, which I really love. It moisturizes really well and the hydration lasts for good long hours. And now this product claims it reduces under eye bags, it minimizes fine lines, it reduces dark circles and minimizes crow's feet. So first, reduces under eye bags. I don't have any puffiness under my eyes, so I can't really say about that. It minimizes fine lines completely, yes, like you have seen me applying this product. It really acts as a primer. Like when we apply primer, it smoothens out our skin, it blurs out any blemishes or the pores that we have. This is exactly what this product does. Like when I apply it under my eyes, it instantly smooths out the fine lines that I have. And then it says it reduces dark circles. So sorry, it's just been 10 days that I've been using this product. For dark circles, I really can't say because I didn't notice any different. It's all about having a good sleep and a good meal. But yes, for fine lines, it works. For crow's feet, it really works. And then when it comes to hydration, definitely yes, because it is a thick cream and it will leave your under eyes with a really good amount of hydration. So if I want to rate this product, I am going to rate it 9 out of 10. So yes, definitely this is a really good purchase, and this product retails for rupees 699, like 700, which is not affordable at all, but still you can get discount on this product on Amazon, Flipkart. You can easily get this product for rupees 350, and the quantity that you get is 30 grams, which is good enough because you just need a tiny dot of this product under your eyes. That's it, that's what you need. I genuinely like this product, and if you ask me whether I would buy this product again or not, then definitely yes, I am going to buy it again once I'm done with it. So alright guys, that's it with this video. If you have any other query, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.